Hi, I'm Bear.
And I'm Dawn.
And we are Adventures in Xanadu. And Dawn, this just happened. We made it official.
We did.
Yeah, we showed it to you a little bit ago, just briefly at the lot, but we did buy it. Our new rig is going to be our 2017 Chevy Colorado, which we previously owned. Z71 4x4, pulling a Flagstaff Micro Lite 21DS. A 2021 and a half, as they say.
And a half.
So we're pretty excited. And let me spin you around. We still own Xanadu, of course. But we think the travel trailer is going to give us access to a lot more adventure. And that's what we're all about, Adventures in Xanadu. If you can see way back there, we still own our 1960 Chateau travel trailer. She's almost relinquished to a yard docker, but we've had company stay there a couple times. All right, let's take you for a quick tour. We're all excited. We bought it. And let the fun begin. Hey, it's got a light. Woo, that's almost enough to buy it. Anyway, I think the big deal with the 2021 and a half is the new nose. Yeah, that new front cap. That's all automotive paint. And they've got the front windshield now. Instead of like being an afterthought, it's fitted into the front nose. So that's pretty cool. Two 30-pound propanes. We got one battery. We got to get another one. Here's some of the storage bays. And Dawn, you're going to be the Vanna White, so why don't you start talking? Do some work. Do some work for the channel, man.
Here's a bay with some junk in it here.
Here's some junk in it.
It's not really junk, it's a must. We have,
that was probably a $600 Reese
piece
hitch.
Of stuff.
Yeah, we had to buy that fancy hitch.
It's almost like buying, I don't know, a wash machine.
Right, and those are the cranks. All those cranks are basically stuff you never want to have to use.
For sure.
You put your water in there.
This is a long skinny unit.
Right.
Fishing poles maybe, broom, whatever. It's tall. It's
right.
Like way tall.
Yeah, you could put a small child in there.
You could.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we have this one here. This goes actually all the way over to the other.
Yeah, this is like under the dinette.
Yes.
Kind of deal. With outside access. That's your
tank flush and
yep, your antifreeze,
winterizing stuff,
and your city water in. That's your plug. Does have a bumper on it. I know it's old school, but you know that's a great spot to put your stinky slinky right there in the end.
There you go.
And
or
also,
if you want a shower, you can also take one on the outside shower as well.
And a 300-pound hitch down there, guys and gals. You won't be pulling a boat with that, but you can definitely put a bike rack on it or a generator rack. And of course, the ladder. I read on it holds 250 pounds. Spare tire.
Easy to get to,
yeah.
I might add.
Yep. You do have to get an extension though if you want to put a rack on the back if you have your spare back there. Nice big awning. I don't know if it's a 16 foot, 15 foot, somewhere close. I don't know. Water heater plug. You got your spot for a cable, power. The new thing is the TV, they just have you slide it out of the inside and bring it out to the outside.
Of course, you can put your griddle out here that they give you.
Yeah, that's right. It comes with a griddle.
It does. It does. Oh, they gave you a dandy spatula that says Flagstaff on it.
Well, we'll show them that when we go inside.
Ooh.
And that's where you put the griddle in the table. I like the new steps. They're this new brand thing here. Step above, I guess.
Got the adjustments on the bottom.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, and you can lift it up. Show them how easy it is to lift on. Yeah, just goes right up.
Little adjusters, you just pull the pin and you move them up or down.
Right, and then let go, it won't even fall. You see how it does that? Look at that, folks. It's magic.
Okay, there's your dandy table.
Yeah, there's your table, there's your griddle.
And your griddle.
And that's made by Suburban. So that's weird. I thought they were Sunbeam. But that's made by Suburban.
That's weird.
Huh, interesting.
Anyway, this goes right through here as well.
And that pass-through there does go through the...
Yeah, that's under...
You can see over there, I think you can see it. It's dark. Sorry about that, folks. All right. Got the screen door where the screen door actually shuts for you. Look at that.
Shut up. Look at that.
Just like they oughta. So, we'll put that back.
That's something.
And head on in. Turn some lights on.
Hey, how about
You remember where that is?
Interior lights.
There you go. That's all you need.
Probably can't see the porch lights if I turn them on, eh? Well, poopity-doo.
All right, so there's a couple of lights on. Let's get that slide out. Let's see, slide out right there. All right, we're getting that slide out. Well, I'll tell you, we were a little leery about a slide. We've never had one. And makes you a little nervous at first, I guess. But boy, it sure makes the room, doesn't it? Isn't that amazing? We're still not used to it.
Pretty weird for us.
And we're out.
Okay, so.
And that really, let me just give a quick look around. And we'll go ahead and let you start. Boy, that makes all the difference.
Let's here on each side. Drawer.
Bedroom light switch.
Where's that at?
Right there. See, we're still learning. The other way. Okay, the pucks are off. When the pucks are off, you must re-puck. Be sure to be careful with your pucks, folks. Your puck lights.
You have to keep your pucks in order.
Gotta have your puck lights right.
Okay, so it has the 2 closets on each side.
Right.
They're really deep, so I'll probably put like some baskets in there so you can just pull out,
Right.
you know, so you don't have to try to reach way
Get
back
your drawer.
there. Nice size
Move
drawer.
around both sides.
Correct. You have your, what do you call this? Charging station here.
Yeah, a little dark. Apologize. Might be able to see that. So
Yeah.
a couple of USBs and a 12 volt.
The night blinds here.
And they did change the couch. The 2021.5 has the newer front cap, and they changed this couch too. It is a does have pop outs for your legs. It's not a true theater seat at all, but yeah, they do kind of recline.
Well, they don't recline, but the foot.
Well, the foot.
You know, yeah, foot
Yeah.
jobby.
Fake recliner. Speaking of that, your 32-inch TV up there will swivel out so you can watch it from the dinette or the couch. And
there are some drawers here as well.
yeah, more storage here.
2 of those.
Go ahead, Van. I'm sorry for interrupting.
Aha!
Hey, there's the.
Hey, now.
If you spend a ton of money with a camper company, hey, you get a special. Flip it upside down, the other way. And the Forest River is engraved. Ooh, fancy. And a bottle opener. Hey.
Yeah.
All right.
So, there's that.
And they give you a starter pack, which will do you about absolutely nothing. No sense showing that.
But you do have this.
Yeah.
How do you do this again? I knew that. Charging station there. Of course, you have these kind of blinds there for the stove.
Right. They don't match the rest because of fireproof issues.
Right. Got your Magic Chef microwave.
Yeah, it's a little one, but they give you an oven. It's one of the biggest in the industry, so that's nice. That'll be nice.
Of course, you know, this jobby always goes up
There's
like
more
so.
light here.
See?
There we go. Put some light on the situation.
Okay, here's the 3 here.
Right. That just holds up. Show them the sink. They gotta put a nice sink in these, Dawn. Nice double bowl, stainless. I mean, that's pretty cool. Nice high rise on the.
I'm so glad this is
What's
high, so you can wash things without trying to navigate around that.
You know, and I don't think it's plastic, it's tin. But I would just say it's low residential grade. Is that a term? And 3 more drawers
3 drawers here. Oh, we forgot to mention this here.
Yeah, got a bed warmer. The mattress has a heater in it. And that's your little flop drawer for a sponge or something. And you do get an extension.
Beautiful little extension, right? Okay, what else we have? Oh, did we mention the drawers underneath here? We have some nice drawers underneath here.
We're still excited. We're still nervous and excited. And
we have these as well, all the way across.
now that was a deal when we went to pick it up.
This is nice.
When they do your walk around, folks, you can have them fix a few minor things before you pull out of there, like these cabinets.
This was loose. It was like, when you opened it, it was like hanging down.
It wasn't quite straight.
So, yeah.
But they did all that 5 seconds. No big deal.
Another drawer here on the table as well.
Another door down there. Got a nice pantry.
You can hang, or you can use it for storage for pantry.
That could be a hanging closet or a
I believe
pantry.
it'll be our pantry.
Oh yeah.
That's my plan.
And those two down there are really fakes because one's your water pump
Gotta move on
there, and your water filter, and the other side is your water heater. Okay, hot water heater. So that's cool. Kind of wasted space, but you know you got to have it somewhere. And it doesn't have the, I know everybody's going to the 12-volt fridges, but I don't know, we're still pretty old school, and like the electric propane, if you're off-grid, you just run the propane, and this has got 60 gallons of propane out front, so.
These shelves are adjustable, that's cool. Well, of course,
I think it's
use them like that.
little over 8 foot Dometic. And I think the 12 volts are 10 foot, they're even bigger, but you're gonna need that solar, and they do give it to you on the roof if you get the refrigerator, so that's cool. Bathroom, turn the light on. It's got a switch in the bathroom for the light.
Closet, what do you call it? Medicine cabinet. Oh, there's a little thingy here. We gotta hang our toilet paper.
Isn't that weird? They make you mount. I guess it's so you can put it wherever you
want it. I guess. Kind of weird though.
I wish I'd have told them to do it.
Yeah, we were
So
too
I didn't
excited to
have
think.
so I didn't have to drill in the hole.
A little bit of storage here. This is, you know.
Yeah, I didn't shave today, or I'd be
Got
on
a couple
camera.
plugs. Couple plugs here by the sink so I can do my hair. You know,
And for guys,
very important.
For bigger people, that is porcelain. So that's good.
Yep. Flush them out.
Yep.
Storage here as
good.
well.
For bathroom, that's good storage, isn't it?
What's that? Another towel rack?
That's big. Yep. Another towel rack.
Shut up. Look at that.
Yep.
More work.
And you got your shower. You gotta be careful with those. Make sure they're always locked for road tripping. And
I'm road tripping.
Yeah.
Oh, it has one of these shower saver
yeah,
thingy
that's that
bobby
miser.
doobies.
You can flip that switch till it gets hot, and that way you don't run all your, your hot water
Shampoo
heater.
and stuff up here. Does have the skylight.
Dawn's about 5'7".
And a half.
And a half. Oh, and a half.
And a half. Don't forget my
And
half.
it also has, you can shut that water off up there on the...
Yeah.
It's not one of the expensive ones like that, but it works.
Yeah.
It works.
If we don't like it, we'll change it.
Not a bad shower. Plenty of room for you.
Works for me.
I think it'll work for me. I'm a big boy.
Just go in sideways.
So yeah. Sit out on the commode there. Everybody does that. Show them the room. That's got plenty of room. I sit on that, no problem. So.
For real?
Yeah, they always do the sit test. It's the toilet test, Dawn. It's your first toilet test.
Oh boy.
Oh.
Pardon me. Excuse me. Oopsie.
Couldn't help it. There's plenty of room. That's a nice, for a 21-foot trailer.
I don't plan to spend a lot of time in here anyway.
It's great.
I got things to do.
All right, so when you come in, you could have your company sit on the couch, or, man, this dinette's big. It's one of the big U-shaped dinettes. And that table is completely movable. You can take it outside.
Oh yeah, it moves.
You can keep it in the down position and use it for a coffee table over at the couch if you want to.
I like it. It's not attached, so
Yeah. If you got a belly like me, you can move it out of the way. Yep, nice. The only thing you didn't get.
I think you did.
The only thing you didn't get here was a window on that side of the slide because you have a nice huge closet there. So, it's give and take in all these units, folks. All right, let's go ahead and show them the big piece de resistance.
I've never opened this yet.
Oh, let's see if you can do it. All right, ladies, here you go. True test.
We do this, right?
First time opening a Murphy bed. True test.
I don't know. It's not sliding.
Okay.
I think this is a job for a man.
It's not, though. It's not supposed to be unless something's bad wrong. I don't know why.
I don't know. I couldn't get it.
It's just too gentle. I think you're...
There we go.
Yep.
Yeah, I was trying to be too gentle.
Yeah, you're being gentle.
Okay.
It's camping. It's not gentle time. It's camping time. That was almost a huge fail. Keep coming. Oh, you didn't do the bed, did you?
Bonehead. Oh, but you do not know what I'm doing. Hey, first you have to do the couch.
Yeah.
You pull this, right?
I want to see you do it all, because...
Then it'll become my job, though.
No.
This is your job, see?
Is it? Okay. I thought my job was protection and
See, I
feeding
can't
and
reach very...
hunting and hunting.
Hunting and
You're
fishing.
gathering.
You gathering of the goods. Oh, you're gathering the goods.
Oh,
for
yeah.
Sure.
You're going to pinch your finger in
No,
there.
I'm not.
You never hold here. You always hold
I
here.
am. If you just slow down.
Okay.
Keep your pants on.
Okay, just fair warning. I'm just giving you fair warning. Folks, you'll pinch the heck out of yourself if you grab that wrong. And look at there. That beautiful window is revealed. Oh! Look at that. There's a plug over there for a CPAP if you have one. You get a nice headboard.
We like the Murphy because then you can just keep your bed made, snap these little jabby-doos on.
Right. And see, you got plenty of room. See, show the front door. You got plenty of room, in and out, no problem. If you want to leave the bed down, leave the bed down. You say, I don't want a Murphy. Well, now you got a bedroom and you have a dinette, like 90% of trailers. And then Dawn pushes it up and relatches those and puts the couch up, and you're back to living room.
Wait, how do you do this?
Oh, you got to really give it a bump with your hip.
Oh, I don't have hip action.
Reach back and grab the top with your other hand. Kind of give it a pull and push. It's just a push and a pull. There it
Like
is.
that.
Yep. You got it.
Now let's see if I can get these jobbies back into place.
Right.
Let me get this side.
See there? Today's learning tip for RV campers. Your Murphy bed. All right, nice. Anything else?
Yes.
Puck light. Oh, it's got 13.5 BTU on the air conditioner.
Oh yeah, don't forget that.
And it also is a vented.
Yes,
so your
okay,
ceiling's vented.
Floor
So you
or
can
up here,
have,
right?
No, the floor is the furnace.
Oh yeah, the furnace, that's right.
Yep, that's your furnace.
That is that.
There's a bunch of them, one in the bathroom. But yeah, the AC is ceiling vented, or just out of the AC old school, either way you want to do it. But that's it. I think it's going to be real comfortable. And it is wired for solar, which is kind of cool. And the controller would go right there. There is already on the roof, there's already the hookups. You just put the panel up there, screw it down, you know, put your die-core on it, and
awesome. Plug
it in, man, supposedly. And it does have solar on the side, which you can plug a panel into right now.
Right.
So a real nice entertainment
I don't know
center.
if this is normal, but this goes through here, goes to the TV.
Right.
The TV goes
DVD.
to the radio, however.
Play your Blu-ray, DVDs, whatever. Yep, radio goes through. So it's got the tank heater too. I really like that. So
and there's a sleep on the floor.
oh, little house cleaning, good. About time you did something.
I try.
Why, you let that go?
I try.
Okay, I'm in trouble later.
You'll pay.
See, if she didn't slam me on the video, I'm gonna hear it after we get off.
You talk about the fan in the bathroom. Right?
Oh yeah, it's got a.
You did do that, right?
It's got a max fan with a cover. They throw you the cover.
With the cover, yes,
yeah.
very important.
So Flagstaff and Rockwood, they do a real nice job. Real nice job. It's all aluminum framed. It's all Asdale inside, Asdale outside. Walkable roof. And yeah, so far we love it. We haven't went anywhere in it, but we love it. So anyway, that's a brief tour.
Good
yeah. And we'll get into all the reasons why we did this. We have Xanadu, the Class A, which is awesome for certain things. And we'll get into more details. That's a whole other video. This is just a celebratory, hey, we did it!
Yay!
Woo-hoo! Give me a kiss. Love you.
It's ours. Love you, Sierra.